Exercise 1.3, question number 8. Consider f such that r plus 2, 4 comma infinity given by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible. With the inverse of f inverse of f is given by f inverse of y equal to root of y minus 4, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. What is meant by r plus? R plus is the set of non-negative real numbers, only positive real numbers. Only positive real numbers. Then you have to show that domain set is the set of all positive real numbers. Codomain set is the closed interval 4 to open interval infinity. F of x is x square plus 4. We have to show that f is invertible. To show f is invertible, we have to show that f is 1, 1 and R2. 1, 1 and R2. To prove 1, 1, we have to assume f of x1 equal to x2 and we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. For R2, we have to find equate f of x is equal to y and we will do it. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus. x1 comma x2 belongs to r plus. f of x1 equal to x1 square plus 4. What is f of x2? x2 square plus 4. Assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. x1 square plus 4 equal to x2 square plus 4. x2 square plus 4. We can cancel 4. Then x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. Then x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0. There are two possibilities. x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or x1 plus x2 equal to 0. But this will not be equal to 0 because both are positive integers. 4 are positive real numbers. So when two positive numbers never be 0. When adding two positive numbers never be 0. Therefore x1 plus x2 not equal to 0. Therefore x1 minus x2 equal to 0 implies x1 equal to x2. We assumed f of x1 equal to x2. We have proved that f of x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1, 1. For on to f of x is equal to y. For on to f of x equal to y belongs to 4 comma infinity. 4 comma infinity. Now equate f of x is equal to y. Upon x square plus 4 equal to y. Then find x in terms of y. X square equal to y minus 4. X is equal to plus or minus square root of y minus 4. But x belongs to only positive. Therefore this minus 1 gets. Therefore x is equal to square root of y minus 4 belongs to 4 comma infinity. 4 comma infinity. Now find f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to f of root of y minus 4. Root of f of x is equal to f of y minus 4. Now substitute root of y minus 4 in this equation. Root of y minus 4 the whole square plus 4. That implies root of y minus 4 the whole square is square root will go. Y minus 4 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel is equal to y. Therefore f of x is equal to f of root of y minus 4 equal to y. F of y minus 4 equal to y implies f inverse of y is root of y minus 4. F inverse of y is root of y minus 4. This 1.3 question number 9. Consider f such that r plus 2 closed interval minus 5 comma infinity given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5 show that f is invertible with f inverse of y equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. We have to, this is f of x, we have to show that f is invertible function and we have to show that f inverse of y, f inverse of y is root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. First we have to prove that 1 1 and on to, then we will find it f inverse. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R plus. Both are non-zero, non-negative real number. Then f of x1 equal to f of x2. 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 equal to 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 5. 6x2 minus 5. We can cancel both sides minus 5. Then 9x1 square, this 9x2 square left hand side 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 equal to 0. Take 9 common. 9 into x1 square minus x2 square plus 6 into 6 common x1 minus x2 equal to 0. We can factorize this. 9 into x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 into x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Here x1 minus x2, here also x1 minus x2, we can take common. x1 minus x2 into 9 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 equal to 0. Then x1 minus x2 equal to 0, or this term should be 0. x1 plus x2 never becomes 0 because both are positive. 9 into x1 plus x2 not equal to 0. Plus 6 also not equal to 0. Therefore, 9 into x1 plus x2 plus 6 not equal to 0. Therefore, x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Therefore, x1 equal to x2. So, assumed f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have proved x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. Now, we have to prove that is onto. For onto, f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. That is 9x square minus plus 6x minus 5 equal to y. Equal to y. Now, bring y to the left hand side. 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y equal to 0. Now, we have to find y in terms of x. 9x square plus 6x minus of 5 plus y equal to 0. I am taking minus sign common. However, it is 9x square plus 5x minus of 5 plus y is a quadratic equation in x. We have to solve for x. However, a equal to 9, b equal to 6, c equal to minus of 5 plus y. Minus of 5 plus y. So, what is the quantity formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b minus 6 plus or minus root of b square is 36 minus b square minus 4 into b square minus 4 into 9 into C minus 5 plus 4. Minus of 5 plus 4. By 2a, 2 into 9, 18. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus into minus plus 36 4 into 9 36 into 5 plus y by 18. Still simplify. We can take 36 common in this one. X is equal to x is equal to minus 6. We can take 36 common, root 36. Root 36, 6 will come outside. Plus or minus 6 into root of 1 plus 3 plus 3. How 1? See here 1, root 36 plus root 36. Root 36 will come outside. You will get 1 here, 5 plus 5. By 18. So x is equal to, take minus 6, take 6 common, minus 1 plus or minus root of y plus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. This one divided by 18. So now 6 3 cancel this. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of y plus 6 by 3. Y plus 6 by 3. Now, now our answer is, only x is belongs to this minus. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root y plus 6 by 3. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of y plus 6 by 3. X will have two values. One is minus 1 plus root y plus 6 by 3, and x is equal to minus 1 minus root y plus 6 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 minus of root of y plus 6 by 3, but this is not belongs to r plus because it is negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus root of y plus 6 by 3 or y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now we got it. Now find f of x. F of x. Find f of x. What is f of x? In place of x square, we have to put root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 upon 9 into root of y plus 6 minus 1 the whole square by 3 f of root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 6 into x root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 5. This is f of 9x square plus 6x minus 5. We have to show that it is x. Then we have to show that it is y. Is equal to 9 into a minus b the whole square, a square y plus 6, b square plus 1 minus 2ab minus 2 into root of y plus 6 by 9. 3 square is 9. This we can cancel 2, 3, 2 plus 2 into root of y plus 6 minus 1 into minus 5. Then we can cancel 9, 9. After cancelling 9, 9, this is y plus 7. Y plus 6 plus 1, 7. Y plus 7. Minus 2 into root of y plus 6. 6. Then plus 2 into root of y plus 6. Plus 6. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Then minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5. No denominator. Here the denominator cancel. Here the denominator also cancel. Upon minus 2 into root of y plus 6 plus 2 into root of y plus 6 cancel. Is equal to y plus 7 minus 2 minus 7 minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 cancel. Therefore, f of x is equal to y. We have proved that f of x is equal to y. Now, f of x is equal to y means f of root of y minus 6 plus 1 by 3 equal to y. F of root of y plus 6. F of root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 equal to y. See, this is we have proved. Therefore, f inverse of y equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. F inverse of y is equal to root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Exercise 1.3, question number 10. Let f such that capital X tends to capital Y be an invertible function. Show that f has unique inverse. ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தால் அதுக்கு ஒன் இன்வர்ஸ் தான் இருக்குன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணும். Let f such that capital X tends to Y. இப்போ எப்புக்கு இன்வர்ஸ் ஒரு இன்வர்ஸ் தான் இருக்கணும்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், 10th பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ரூட் 2 இஸ் ஏ ரேஷனல் நம்பர். அப்போ கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் அசியூம் பண்ணோம். லெட் ரூட் 2 இஸ் ஏ ரேஷனல் நம்பர்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி இட் இஸ் நாட் அ ரேஷனல் நம்பர், இட் இஸ் ஏ ரேஷனல் நம்பர்னு கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். அதே மாதிரி we will assume that f has ரெண்டு இன்வர்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு அசியூம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். let g1 and g2, let g1 and g2 are the two inverses of f, or two inverses of f ன்னு நம்ம அசியூம் பண்ணிட்டோம். Therefore, since g1 is inverse of f, since g1 is inverse of f composite g1 of y equal to iy. Identity function equal ஆயிடும். அதான் இது equation number 1. Next, g2 is inverse of f. Therefore, f composite g2 of y is also equal to iy. அது inverse ஓட இப்போ இதுவும் 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, the ரெண்டு right hand side equal, then the left hand side equal. F composite g1 of y equal to f composite g2 of y. இப்போ composite எடுக்கணும்னா f of g1 of y equal to f of g2 of y. Since f is a function, it is a invertible, therefore f is 1 1 and onto. இப்போ நமக்கு for 1 1 function f of x1 equal to f of x2 na x1 equal to x2. Since it is a 1 1, f of x1 equal to f of x2 means x1 equal to x2. அதே மாதிரி f is a function, it is a invertible function, so therefore it is a 1 1. f of g1 of y equal to f of g2 of y means g1 of y equal to g2 of y. g1 of y equal to g2 of y. Since g1 of y equal to g2 of y implies g1 equal to g2. g1 of y equal to g2 of y, g1 equal to g2. Therefore g1 of g2 means what? g1 equal to g2 means f has a unique inverse. Therefore inverse of a function is unique. Inverse of a function is unique. Exercise 1.3, question number 11. Consider f such that set 1 2 3 2 set a comma b comma c given by f of 1 is equal to a, f of 2 equal to b, f of 3 equal to c. Find f inverse and show that f inverse of inverse is equal to f. இப்போ f of 1 வந்து a. இப்போ consider this set is a set, this set is b set. அப்போ a setல 1 2 3, b set has a b c, இது b set. இப்போ a to b is the function. What is when f of 1 வந்து a, அப்போ 1 a ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு, f of 2 b ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு, 3 c ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு. அப்போ it is a function, it is every element in the different element in the domain is mapped with the different elements in the codomain. So it is a 1 1 function. Here the codomain set is a comma b comma c, the range is also a comma b comma c. So since codomain is equal to range, it is an onto function. So f is 1 1 and onto, therefore f is an invertible function. Therefore f is எப்பல என்ன இருக்கும், ஆர்டர் பேர் 1 a இருக்கு, ஆர்டர் பேர் 2 b இருக்கு, ஆர்டர் பேர் 3 c இருக்கு. இப்போ since it is a 1 1 and onto, it is a invertible function. Invertible functionல இந்த டொமைன் வந்து கோடொமைனா மாறிடும், இந்த கோடொமைன் வந்து டொமைனா மாறிடும். அப்ப f inverse வந்து b to a, f inverse b to a. அதுல என்ன இருக்கும், இது a b c 1 2 3. அப்ப a வந்து 1 ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு, b 2 ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு, c 3 ஓட மாப்பா இருக்கு. இருக்கா இது. அப்ப இது f inverse. அப்ப f inverse இந்த f inverseல இது வந்து டொமைன் சைட், இது வந்து கோடொமைன், b வந்து டொமைன் சைட், a வந்து கோடொமைன் சைட். அப்போ all the different elements in the domain set is mapped with the unique element in the codomain. Here the range is 1 2 3, codomain is 1 2 3. Therefore f inverse is a 1 1 and onto function. அப்போ what is the f inverse? f inverse என்ன இருக்கும், a, 1 b, 2 and c, 3. So it is a function f inverse. f inverse மூணு ஆர்டர் பேர். Since it is 1 1 and onto, f inverse நம்ம இன்வர்ஸ் எடுக்கலாம். f inverse இன்வர்ஸ்ல இது டொமைன் செட், இந்த கோடொமைன் செட் வந்து டொமைன் செட், இந்த டொமைன் செட் வந்து கோடொமைன் செட். அப்போ f inverse of f is from a to b. a to b. இதுல வந்து f inverse of inverse வந்துரும். இப்போ இதுல வந்து இப்போ என்ன இருக்கும், 1 2 3 இதில் ஏபிசி ஒன்று ஏவோட மேப்பாகும், 2 பியோட மேப்பாகும், 3 சியோட மேப்பாகும். அப்போ வாடி எஃப் இன்வர்ஸ் ஹோல் இன்வர்ஸ் என்னென்ன ஆர்டர் பண்ண இருக்கு? 1, A, 2, B and 3, C, which is equal to your F, which is equal to F. Therefore, F inverse of F inverse the whole inverse is equal to F. F inverse the whole inverse is equal to F.